How do you transport a Hobie kayak? If you have a Hobie kayak and are eager to hit the water, you might be wondering how to transport it safely and easily. Let's break down the best methods for getting your kayak from home to your favorite outdoor adventure spot. First, consider the type of vehicle you have. If you own a car with a roof rack, this is a popular option. Start by placing the kayak on the rack. Before you do that, secure straps to the rack to make it easier to fasten the kayak down. Once the kayak is on the rack, use those straps to secure it tightly. To add extra stability, use bow and stern lines. These are ropes that attach to the front and back of the kayak, anchoring it to your vehicle. This extra step helps keep the kayak steady during your drive. If your vehicle lacks a roof rack, Hobie offers a sport rack system. This system allows you to secure the kayak through your car windows, making it a great alternative for those without a roof rack. If you have a pickup truck, you can use a bed extender, like the Boondocks T-Bone. This device extends the truck bed to support the kayak's stern, preventing any damage from overhang. Make sure to strap the kayak down securely using Hobie straps. If the kayak extends beyond the truck, attach a safety flag to comply with local laws. For those who plan to transport multiple kayaks or travel longer distances, Hobie provides lightweight aluminum trailers, such as the Trail X and TRX trailers. These trailers can hold several kayaks at once and make loading and unloading a breeze. This is especially helpful for group outings or fishing trips where you need to transport multiple kayaks. Some Hobie kayaks, like the Pro Angler 14, come with accessories like Hobie wheels. These wheels allow you to roll the kayak to and from your vehicle, reducing the strain of lifting. This feature is great for those who want to make transporting their kayak as easy as possible. Remember, proper transport is essential to protect your kayak and any gear you have attached, like rod holders or fish finders. Taking the time to secure your kayak correctly ensures it arrives at your destination ready for a fun day on the water. With these methods, you can confidently transport your Hobie kayak and enjoy your outdoor adventures.